So now we're going to talk about the HMI. Again, we need to know what model. If you look on the actual tag down here, HMI GTO 5310. Now we'll go to our Dropbox and download that file. So now we're going to come in and do our final step with the HMI. We'll go back to our Dropbox. You'll see the different style HMIs. We're going to use the 5310. We'll click on it. So now we're going to come to our download. And once again, direct download. At the bottom of our screen, we'll come down, save, and 2.6.1 just for a reference. And I'm going to put this as good so I know. And save. When you see that it has completed the download, you can close up. At this point, take your thumb drive. We'll insert it again. Find our USB host. Right click, format disk, FAT32, start, and OK to erase. Completed, OK, and close. At this point, we'll go find our HMI on the desktop, open it, click on one, Control All, right click, copy, go to the USB, right click, and paste. This one does take just a little bit to download. And when complete, we will exit. All right. Once this is complete, you can see all the download has been established on your page. Go to USB, right click, and eject. Basically, you're going to come in, open the cabinet, turn the power off, open. We're going to work on the HMI.
Okay, so hopefully we got that tank filled up.
We're going to remove the HMI. Disconnect. This comes out of the Ethernet port.
Okay.
Our newer models also have a USB port that gets plugged in. Disassemble that.
Didn't move anything or broken.
And take the ports off. So once you get all four corners loosened, you'll go ahead and pull them off. The screen is just sitting in there. And this is your HMI. Remove the new HMI from the box. You'll reinstall. Reverse procedure as once you pulled it out. Grab your corner connectors. put them all back in each corner. Snug them up. There is a seal on the front side of the HMI to protect from moisture getting into the cabinet. Once those are snugged up, you'll go in and change out the plug to the new style for the new HMI, like so. On this plug, the left one is 24 volts, the middle one is ground or neutral, and the outside is the ground wire. This one does not have that. So what we'll do, the power is off. We'll do one at a time. We'll take the ground. Here it shows DC plus minus. We'll come in here, push in on the spade. And this gets a little tricky. So the negative. Like so. You'll go in and grab the positive. You heard that? This one will go into the first location for the 24 positive. Like so, and back into place. So now we're going to go ahead and download the HMI for the 5310. We'll come to our downloaded file on our desktop. We're going to Control All and right click on this, and we're going to copy it. Once it's copied, we'll go down to the USB stick that we've stuck into the computer. We're going to format the disk to FAT32. Hit start. Hit OK. Wait for formatting to be completed. Close out. At this point, we'll go ahead and open up the USB stick. Click on it. As you see, now our files are erased. Right click, and we're going to paste our copied HMI ware. This should only take maybe a minute. Okay, once completed, we'll go ahead, hover over the USB, right click, and eject. At this point, pull out your thumb drive and head to your HMI. So now that we have our thumb drive ready, we're going to go ahead and put this into the USB port underneath our machine. Our light is blinking. We'll then come to the front. It's going to ask, do you want to install the new project? At this point, you'll push yes. This will take a few minutes to download. And for where we left off, basically we're finishing the programming of the download of the HMI. Once programming is completed, you'll go ahead and remove your thumb drive. You'll come back up to the main touchscreen, and at this point, hit restart. This will bring your programming up to your home screen. Once our primary screens come back, you'll see that our newest version for this application is 2.6.1. This is for the non-Festo. At this point, we're going to come back in and reset all of our presetted systems. We're going to go to the view, turn it to the advanced screen. We'll come to system setup. We'll come in here and add our capital A, D, M, I, N for admin, hit enter. Our password, capital U, S, E, R. Again, the capitals on the first letter are very important. Hit enter. Come down here to the unlock key. We'll hit it once. You'll see that our name and password has taken. It says our current user is an admin. We'll hit the back arrow. We'll then come into system setup. We'll go to quick setup and turn on all of our modules and pumps.